Welcome back to Tech World, and today I want to review of the ThinkPad Lenovo's X1 Yoga Gen 6, and it was released January 11th, 2021, and we're going to do like a 1 year review like that. You can try it like that. And so this is a Windows 10 home laptop with a 14-inch display.
Yes, and now as we go off the connectivity options as soon as possible, we get to know that this is having a Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth, and also Bluetooth that comes with the 4 USB ports and Thunderbolt 4, Type-C, HDMI port, headphone jack, and also a mic combo jack ports. And now let's head to know about the dimensions of this particular laptop.
So the dimensions are 223 by 314.4 by 14.9 millimeters. Weight is 1.3 kilograms and colors are storm gray and material is aluminium. And let's talk about the battery life and the capacities.
Yes, so when we go for the battery life, we can know that this is up to 15 hours and its capacity on the WH is 57. And now when we go for its the graphics, we know that this is having a dedicated graphics, it's not having a dedicated graphics. And according to the ports, we have a number of USB ports are 4 Thunderbolt 4 Type-C HDMI port and the headphone and mic combo jack as mentioned earlier. Now let's know about the inputs.
Pointer device is touchpad, backlight keyboard is there, touchpad is there, internal mic is there, speakers are also there.
So that's all.
For more tech videos, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification button. If you turn on the notification button, you all will get notified if it's a new video, and if the video is helpful, please like the video, and that's all. My name is John.
My name is Jonas.
We are Tech World.
Signing off.
Bye bye.